Hi everyone, this is Vivek. Welcome to my channel Alpha IQ. Today we are going to continue the previous session where we have left. Today we are going to discuss the most important questions, the previous questions of SSC CGL. Let us get into the questions. A dealer marks his goods 20% above their cost prices. Then he allows certain discount on the market price so that he makes a profit of 8%. So then rate of discount we have to find out. So suppose a dealer is having certain goods and is marking his goods 20% above the cost price. Let the cost price be X and MP he marked market price 20% above. Then he allows certain discount, let it be D, on the market price so that he makes a profit of 8%. So we know that 20% when it is marked above, it will be 120. 2 6 2 5 6 by 5, or we can do it like this also, 20% by 100, 2 5 1 by 5. So 20% is 1 by 5, 5 plus 1 6 by 5. So we can do in this manner also. Now he has given that dealer marks his goods 20% above their cost price. If the cost price is X and is marking 20% above, then it will be 6 by 5 above the cost price. Then he allows certain discount, let it be D. So after giving the discount and marking about 20%, he got 8% profit. So 8% also can be written as the same manner, 4 2s are 425, so 25 plus 2, 27 by 25. So 27 by 25 X. So 27 by 25% of X. So X is cost price, so he is getting the profit of 8%. So 5 5s are 3 2s are 3 9s are, X and X gets cancelled, so D is equal to 9 by 10. So discount, we have to find out the rate of discount, so put 0 in here, then we get it is 90%, so 10% is the discount given by dealer. Coming to next problem, the salary of a person is reduced by 20%, and what percentage of his salary should be increased to get original salary? So here the question says that a person has certain type of salary, suppose X, let the salary be of that person be X. So this salary X is increased by 20%. So 20% we know that it is reduced. So 5 minus 1, 4 by 5 of X. So reduced salary is 4 by 5 times of X. So after reduction of by 20% of his salary, now we got 4 by 5 times of X as his reduced salary. So after reducing salary, how much percentage of increase in this obtained reduced salary will be original salary? So how much percentage of this salary should be increased in order to get original salary? What is original salary? X. So in order to get X salary, how much percentage of the reduced salary should be increased to get original salary X? So let it be Y% be increased, then X and X gets cancelled, so Y% is equal to 5 by 4. So 5 by 4 means 5 minus 4, 1 by 4 into 100, 25%. So 25% of his reduced salary should be increased in order to get original salary. Now next problem, two buses travel to a place at 45 and 60 kilometers per hour respectively. If the second bus takes 5.5 hours less than the first for the journey, then length of the journey is, so we have to find out the length of the path traveled by those both buses. So speed is given 45 and 60, let it be A and B, both buses be A and B, and their speeds are 45 and 60. So we know that speed and time are inversely proportional by formula speed is equal to distance by time. So speed is inversely proportional to time. So if speed is inversely proportional to time, then speed ratios 15 3s are 15 4s are. So speed ratios will be the inverse ratios of time. So take the inverse ratio of this. So given that, so now we got the times of first and second buses A and B, 4 and 3 first. So 4 minus 3, 1 unit. So second bus is 1 unit less than the first bus. So 1 unit is equal to 5.5 hours difference. So if 1 unit is 5.5 hours, then 4 units is equal to 4 into 5 2s are 10, 11 by 2. 2 2s are, so 22 hours is the total time taken by first bus. So if 22 hours is the total time taken by first bus, but what we have to find here, length of the journey. So now we got the total time taken by first bus. As both the buses are traveling the same length of the journey, then it is enough to find out for first bus. So 22 hours, we know that formula distance is equal to speed into time. So for A, what is the speed? 45 kilometers per hour. What is the time taken by A? 22 kilometers per hour. So 990 kilometers is the total distance or total length of the journey traveled by both buses A and B. X plus 1 by x is to x minus 1 by x is equal to 5:3. Then a value of x is or are, so it may be single value or it may be many values. So these are the ratios given, then we have to find out the values of x. So as it is in the ratio, we can write x plus 1 by x by x minus 1 by x is equal to 5/3. So take LCM here, then we get x square plus 1 by x by x square minus 1 by x is equal to 5/3. X and x gets cancelled. Next, cross multiplication, we get 3x square plus 3 is equal to 5x square minus 5. So take 3x square to RHS and minus 5 to LHS. 3 plus 5 is equal to 5x square minus 3x square. So 8 is equal to 2x square, 2 4s are. So x square is equal to 4. So finally we got x square is equal to 4. So we have two values. X square minus 4 is equal to 0. Finally we get x plus 2 of x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore x values are plus and plus or minus 2. So these are the values of x after solving this equation. Now coming to next problem. In triangle ABC, angle A plus B is equal to 75. Angle B plus C is equal to 140. And angle B we have to find out. We know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees in a triangle. In a triangle, sum of the angles is a 180 degrees, and given that angle A plus angle B, I am adding this both, angle B plus angle C is equal to 75 plus 140, 215. So 215 after adding 75 plus 140. Now angle A plus angle B plus I'm changing this position, angle B plus angle C plus angle B is equal to 215. So we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degrees plus angle B is equal to 215 degrees. Now transpose this side, we get angle B is equal to 215 minus 180, so 35 degrees. 35 degrees is the value of angle B. An exterior angle of a triangle is 115 degrees and one of the interior opposite angle is 45 degrees. Then the other two angles of the triangle are, so given that an exterior, so if I take this as 115 degrees and the interior opposite angle is, let it be 45 degrees. So we know that exterior angle is the sum of the two interior opposite angles. So for theta plus 45 is 115 degrees. Theta is equal to 70 degrees. 150 minus 45, 70. So if I get 70 here, so sum of the angles in a triangle should be 180. So 70 plus 45, 115. So 115 plus how much it will be, so that it becomes 180, 115, so 65 degrees. So 65 degrees should be the third angle, or we can do it in other way. 115 plus this angle, as it is a straight line, it should be 180. So 115 plus 65, 180. So we can do in both ways. Now therefore the angles, other two angles are 70 and 65. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you.